Cool.
But let's talk about WordPress. That was kind of one of the things that, WordPress hosts over 40% of the websites on the internet.
Yep. They host us. I believe it. I absolutely believe it, man. Yeah.
Yeah. And I love WordPress, and it's very simple to set up if you want to build a simple content site or, site to share news or information. I think it's quick and easy, and there's all kinds of themes. And I do think it's a little bit more complicated when you start, if you want to build an e-commerce platform on WordPress using, I think they just bought WooCommerce.
Yeah. They did. That's right.
And I've used it and I love Woo, and it's super versatile, but there is a definite learning curve. I think Shopify is quick and easy, but you can't really modify it as much as you can with WooCommerce.
Right. We built our, I have a long history of building things that other people then just market out as things, including a content management system, right? Like in 1999, I built our content management system at the Mac Observer from scratch, like whole cloth, PHP and MySQL, because WordPress and anything else like it didn't exist. If I was smarter, then I'd be doing, I would have sold it, as a content management system and not just used it in house. And then we could be doing my podcast from my private island, but I don't have that.
Yes.
But we used WordPress and WooCommerce to build our, we call it our premium system, but it's effectively our pre-Patreon type of system for Mac Geek Gab. Again, if I was smart enough, I would have, marketed that out as like, you should do this for your podcast, but I'm not. So Patreon, took
other business.
the reins there. Well, that's the thing is it's hard to see that another business exists when you're just trying to solve a quick little problem for your business. That's really the trick that I need to get better at. And I have actually over the years gotten better at that.
Sure.
But, so.
Yeah, makes sense. But, the thing, WordPress, again, it's a massive ecosystem that you can get help with. If you go on Fiverr and search for WordPress, it's over 94,000 results come up to people that can help you build something.